I may use some Pertamax.
Pertamax.
What is that?
Gasoline.
No,
Gas.
Pertamax Racing.
Turbo.
Pertamax Turbo. Yeah,
Turbo.
they have 98,
12,000
octane.
every single liter, right?
It's 12,000. While for the 100 car part, it's 75,000.
MashaAllah.
But it's like 100k if I'm not mistaken right now. So
I
it
got
has 90 liter
90 liter.
for the fuel capacity for full tank.
Is that BMW or Lamborghini?
Lamborghini,
inshallah.
Aventador, Aventador.
Inshallah.
It's white, but I never drive that before because I was very little.
Which one the most impressive thing, with Lamborghini and then Ferrari? What do you think about that?
I think I prefer Ferrari than Lamborghini because of the taxation.
That's
and also for the price
inshallah.
tag. Yeah.
Price tag, what?
Yeah.
Price tag.
Lamborghini starting from
United States.
10 billion.
10 billion.
No, it's from Italy. 10
Italy.
billion. It's before taxation, and then when